task 1. Dear students, carrying on the task 1 for today, let's talk about the task 1 that we discussed in the class. It's a line graph about the past and the future uh, earnings of it's not exactly earning, collections, revenue collections of a local authority in New Zealand. This is the graph. Note all the trends. Rough location is local authority of New Zealand. Financial inflows, collections. Projected can be called future estimates, predictions. Period is divided into two parts: 2012 to 2020. 2020 is present and 2022 is future. Total period 1 decade, 10 years. Calibration is in millions of dollars. Financial year ends June. 3 tenses have to be used: past for the past, present perfect to be used in the present condition, and future for the future tense. How will present perfect be used? For example, if you're talking about the blue line, the rates revenue, you will say it is the revenue has reached a point of above $2,000 billion has reached. In the passive voice, it would become the revenue collection has been risen to this figure. Okay, further rough notes: 4 streams of revenue, rates and taxes, starting from below 15, above 20, then almost 25. Continuous rise, the highest collection of all through the period. You can note the golden words as vocabulary to be used in various tasks. User charges, similar trend, 1,000, 1,700. I have taken the 3 figures, the starting point, the end point, and 2020 point. Borrowings, fluctuating trend, 800 in 2014, 1100, पहले 800, फिर 2014 में 1100, फिर sharp plunge in 2016, 600, then peak in 2020, approximately 1500, and then expected to fall by 2021 and be steady at a plateau at 800. Be steady, be steady at, touch a plateau at. Grants and subsidies, peak is at 400. It starts at 400, peak is at 800. In 2016, slow and steady decline till 2020. A notch about 500, future almost steady. I have noted down all my rough work, and now from here I can easily write whatever I want to write by looking at. I don't have to look at the slide again. I don't have to look at the task 1 again. That is the secret of writing a correct task 1. Make very clear notes. Please comment and send for checking. Do share with your friends if you want to.